Okay, so this is your past paper question wherein you have to prepare a cash flow statement. Okay. Now, since you have to make a cash flow statement, you will start with operating activities.
Okay.
Operating activity starts with
Profit before interest.
profit before interest and tax. So, what is your profit before interest and tax?
Profit before interest and tax.
First, you have your profit before interest and tax minus interest
Yeah,
minus tax
you will get
will
profit.
give you a profit for the year.
Yeah.
Where will you get the profit for the year from?
Profit for the year we will get from retained earnings.
From retained earnings. What is your profit for the year?
15.
15. Okay.
Yeah.
Profit for the year is 15, but you have to start with PBIT.
Yeah.
How will you get the PBIT?
We'll add the tax and the interest.
So what is the interest?
Interest, bank interest payable. We have
Interest payable.
Yeah.
Which one will you take?
We'll take 4.
4. Is there any tax?
No.
There is no tax. So PBIT, profit before interest and tax, will be
19.
15 plus 4, 19. So my first thing that I will write in my cash flow statement is profit before
Miss 1 minute.
interest and tax. $19. Right? Yes, are you with me?
Sorry, Miss Mama. Yeah, I'm.
Then what do I add?
We'll add with non-cash operating expense.
Non-cash, non-operating expenses. What are the things that comes for non-cash, non-operating expenses?
Non-cash non-operating expenses, loss on sale of non-current asset,
And
or depreciation.
Okay, fine. So I will go to my non-current assets.
Yeah.
So if you see, I have a non-current asset that is a plant and machinery.
Yeah.
And there is a provision for depreciation of plant and machinery. And I have motor vehicle, and there is provision for depreciation of motor vehicles.
Yes, sir.
And I want to add only the depreciation. And depreciation of which year?
Depreciation of current year.
So what is the depreciation of current year?
319. No.
Think properly.
10. No.
So this is the depreciation of current year for plant and machinery. And this is the depreciation of current year for motor vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will add 12 and 10.
Yeah, 22.
22. So I will add what? Depreciation.
Yeah.
Depreciation of plant and machinery.
Yeah.
And depreciation of motor vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the depreciation of plant and machinery?
12.
12 and depreciation of motor vehicle is 10.
Yes, miss.
22. Then I have to see the profit or loss on disposal of your non-current asset.
Yeah.
Is there any disposal of plant and machinery over here?
No, there is no disposal.
So there is no disposal of plant and machinery.
There's disposal of motor vehicle.
There is disposal of motor vehicle. Yeah. How much is the disposal of motor vehicle? 16.
16. Yeah.
So the cost of the motor vehicle disposed is
16.
Okay. And
then
what is the depreciation of motor vehicle disposed?
Depreciation is 4.
4. So what is the net book value of your motor vehicle disposed?
12.
12. This you will compare with what?
With the sold amount.
With the sell.
Well, And so it's 15,000. 15.
So the motor vehicle has been sold for 15,000.
Yeah.
So there is a profit on disposal.
Mm.
Profit on disposal is subtracted or it is added?
Mm.
Add or subtract?
Profit on disposal will minus.
Okay. So less
Yeah.
what?
Less.
Non-operating income.
Yeah.
What is your non-operating income?
3.
Profit on
Profit on disposal.
profit on disposal of motor vehicle. 3, right?
Yeah.
So 19 plus 22 minus 3 is giving you how much?
38.
38. What is this called?
This is working capital changes.
Profit before
Profit before changes in
in
working
working
capital.
capital.
Yeah.
Okay, now you will do changes in working capital. But before you do changes in working capital, can you tell me this bank that is over here?
Mm-hmm.
What activity is this?
Which that is borrowing loan.
That is purchase of non-current asset.
Yeah.
Purchase of non-current asset is which activity?
Purchase of a non-current asset is investing. No.
So this is
Purchase
investing
or
activity. Yes. Investing activity. Inflow or outflow?
outflow.
So this is investing activity and this will be outflow.
Yeah.
So I have done everything related to plant and machinery, everything related to motor vehicles,
Yeah.
and also from the retained earnings, I have taken profit for the year.
Mm.
Now let's see this dividend. This is dividend that you have paid, right? From retained
Yeah.
earnings.
Mm-hmm.
Which activity?
That is finance.
Financing activity. Very good. Okay, fine. Now you have to see working capital changes, right?
Yeah.
In working capital changes, what do we do?
Miss, 1 minute. 1 minute. Is this in the book?
Yeah, page 113.
Oh, okay. I was doing a notebook.
Now you have to do your changes in the working capital. Are you with me?
Yes.
In changes in working capital, what do you do?
Using working capital, we will.
If you say current asset is increasing,
If there's an increase in current asset or a decrease in liability, we will minus. If there is a decrease or if there is an increase in liabilities or decrease in current asset, we'll add.
and current liability increase, you will add. Okay. Inventory increased.
Mm-hmm.
That means current asset is increasing.
Yeah.
You will minus.
Inventory increase, yeah, we'll. Yeah.
Trade receivable increased. That means current asset has increased.
Yes, we'll minus.
You will minus. Bank balance has gone from an overdraft to a positive balance.
Mm-hmm.
That means your current liability
Current liability will increase.
it's gone down. Current liability,
Oh,
bank overdraft has
positive
gone up.
balance. Okay.
So
Yeah.
current liability has decreased, right? So what will you do?
We will minus.
You will minus 7,000.
Mm.
Then
Then the company had issued 72,000.
okay, 1 minute. Is this cash and bank balance? Do we take it as current asset or current liability, or we take it as your opening cash and bank balance?
Opening cash and balance.
Opening cash and bank balance. So only the bank balance you will always avoid. Okay, only the bank balance you will avoid for current asset and current liability. Now, any other
So what do you
current
mean
asset,
avoid?
current liability you can
What,
see?
Wait, what do you mean avoid?
Avoid, that means we take this at the end of the cash flow.
Okay, so you
You
won't
have
use.
cash flow from operating activity plus financing activity, investing activity, you get your net cash flow. Okay, you get your net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent.
Mhm.
Then you will add opening cash and cash equivalent. You will get your closing cash and cash equivalent.
Okay.
So that you will avoid. Any other current asset or current liability you can see?
Trade payables have decreased by
Okay,
6,000.
trade payables decrease. That means
New
your
bank
current liability is decreasing.
Yeah,
What
new
will you
bank
do?
we will minus.
Minus. So there are three things that you have to minus. So what are the three things that I have to minus? I'll just crop it over here. So we can do it. Come on. Decrease in inventory.
Yeah.
No, sorry. Increase in inventory.
Yeah.
Increase in inventory.
Okay.
Minus increase in trade payables.
Yeah.
Sorry, increase in trade receivables.
Okay.
And decrease
And
in trade
is it,
payables.
Miss, will we take new bank loan 5,000 had been received? Isn't that new liability?
Sorry.
Isn't new bank loan increase in liability?
Cash and cash bank balance you have to always avoid.
What?
Cash and bank balance is not current asset and current liability. This is cash flow. So that we will take in end.
Okay.
So you have decrease in trade payables. 6,000. So what is the amount that you're getting? 38 minus 7 minus 3 minus 6.
22.
22,000. Are you sure?
Yeah.
No.
38 minus 7 plus
Okay, this is
7
17.
minus.
Inventory is 17.
Okay. So then 12.
12,000. What is this?
This is
Cash from operations. What is this?
cash from operations
Then minus what will you do?
minus
Interest
interest.
minus tax.
Yeah.
But we don't have
Interest.
tax.
Yeah. So you won't take.
So we have interest paid, na? Interest paid. What is the amount of interest paid? What is the amount of interest paid?
6.
Interest paid. Interest paid. Interest
4.
paid, that means you will take bank.
Oh, okay, 5.
5. 5 is the amount of interest paid.
So you get 7.
What is 7?
Profit for the year.
Net cash from operating activities.
Okay.
Net cash from operating.
Activity.
Now what is the next thing that you will take?
Finance. I mean,
Cash
investing.
flow from investing activities. Investing activities will be buying and selling of your non-current assets. So tell me. There is a purchase of plant and machinery,
Yeah.
and there is a sell of motor vehicle.
Mm.
Okay. So selling is inflow
Yeah.
and buying is outflow.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
The sale.
What I say? Purchase of what?
Hmm?
Purchase of
Is a non-current asset.
plant
We'll
and
minus.
machinery.
Won't we put sales first?
Anything is okay now. I'm going to do adjustment in inner column.
Hmm.
So I have purchased for 38
Yeah.
and disposal of
Motor vehicle.
motor vehicle.
16. Yeah.
No, not disposal. You receive 15,000.
No, they go up. Go up.
Hmm?
How much is disposal?
Yeah, motor vehicle is sold for.
Okay. We won't take the other amount. The one, the
Selling
bigger.
price. What is the amount? In cash flow, you will think about money given or money received.
Hmm.
Money given out and money coming in out of cash flow. That is what is cash flow statement, right?
Yeah.
So you have received this money, right? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what is your net cash flow from
Won't
investing
we?
activities?
Won't we take opening? Won't we do opening receivables plus
No, no, no,
investment?
no. Net
Hmm?
cash flow from
From
investing
invest.
activities. What is the net cash flow? Positive or negative?
It's negative.
How much?
23.
Then financing activities.
Yeah.
Financing activities will have your issue of shares, dividend, loan, anything that you have brought in finance.
Okay.
Okay. But one thing was dividend paid. Can you see this? 8,000.
Yeah.
So financing activity, money going out.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll write dividend paid. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now see what are the adjustments that you have avoided. We completed adjustment number 1.
Yeah.
We completed adjustment number 2.
Yes.
This will
No.
go at the end.
Hmm?
Now here, can you see this? There is issue of shares.
What do you mean?
That means money coming in.
Okay.
So
Miss, why won't
issue
we
of
take 7,000?
sorry,
We won't take 7,000 because it comes in the end.
it comes in the end.
Okay.
So issue of shares,
Hmm.
money coming in.
Yeah.
72,000 into 0.50.
You get
How much?
36,000.
36,000. Okay. Inflow.
Yeah.
And you've taken a bank loan of 5,000.
Yeah.
So proceeds from
Proceeds from,
loan.
yeah,
Hmm.
5,000.
Okay. How much?
5,000.
So money coming in or going out?
Yes.
It's coming in. 33. What will the 33 be called?
33 will be net cash flow from finance activity.
Very. I'm writing over here only, okay? Net cash flow from financing activities. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this 1, this 2, and this 3, you will add together.
Yeah.
What will you get?
We will get.
Is it a positive balance or is it a negative balance? First decide that. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive balance. So if it is a positive balance, means it is a net increase.
Okay.
What is it? It is a net increase in cash and cash equivalent. If it is a negative balance, it would be a net decrease in cash and cash equivalent. So this is a net increase in cash and cash equivalent. How much?
So we'll do 17.
70. Very good. Now in this 17, the two things which I was telling you about cash and cash thing, okay? So you will add opening cash and cash equivalent. That means your opening cash and bank balance. So opening cash and bank balance was an overdraft. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So overdraft, that means it was a negative cash and cash balance. So the answer that you will get will be your closing cash and cash equivalent. That is a positive 10,000. So this is your cash flow statement, which is total for 19 marks.
It's easy.
So it was a past paper question of October, November 20, paper 32. Are you with me? Can we go to the next part?
Yeah.
Okay. The next part is your theory question. Explain how premium on issue of shares is dealt differently in statement of cash flow as compared to the books of account. So basically, in my cash flow statement, what do I deal with? In my cash flow statement, I deal with inflow and outflow of cash, right? So when I am dealing with my cash flow statement, I will just see the issue price. So whatever is the number of shares that I have issued, I will multiply it with the issue price and I will write it as inflow in financing activity, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But in your normal books of accounts, what do you do? In your normal books of accounts, when I am issuing share, what do I do? I take share capital only how much?
Issuing share capital.
Only as number of shares into face value, par value.
Yeah.
So in my normal books of account, share capital is only the face value or the par value. But in the cash flow statement, I am only talking about the inflow and outflow of cash. So in the cash flow statement, my financing activity will be what?
Financing activities
Will be the number of shares.
Yeah.
into issue price.
Okay.
So whatever premium I'm charging, I take it as financing activity.
Okay.
But in books of accounts, if I issue shares at premium, my share capital will be only face value into par value.
Okay.
What do I do with the extra amount?
Mm,
The extra amount will go in a separate ledger.
okay.
That separate ledger is called what?
Separate ledger is called
Share premium account. What is the separate ledger called?
share premium account.
Share premium account. Okay. So can you tell me how do I deal with issue of shares in my cash book? In my cash flow statement? Can you tell me please?
Hmm?
Can you tell me how do I deal with issue of shares in the cash flow?
It is added to share premium.
No. So see over here, in the cash flow statement, share premium is added to the par value. So if I issue shares of 10 at 12,
Yeah.
I will take financing activity is 12.
Okay.
Okay. And I will show total proceeds because I am only dealing with inflow and outflow of cash.
Yeah.
But in my normal books, what do I do? Share capital is only shown at par value. Par value means face value. So 10 will go to share capital and 2 will go to share premium. Understood? You did not understand, right?
No.
See, in cash flow, what am I dealing with? Inflow and
Yeah.
outflow of cash, right? So if I issue shares of 10 at 12, my shares are costing. The face value is 10
Yeah.
and I issue it at 12.
Yeah.
So how much will be the inflow for me?
Inflow will be 12.
12. Okay, and this full 12 will be financing activity. Yes?
Yes.
But in limited company or in your normal books of account, what will I treat as share capital?
Where share capital will take 2.
10. Only the face value. And the extra 2 that you have taken or by issuing shares at premium will go in a separate account which is called a share premium account.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So in the cash flow, you will show your total proceeds, the total amount that you received as financing activity.
Okay.
But in your normal books of accounts, what do you do?
Normal books of account, we will put it as 12 as a whole.
In normal books of account, share capital will be 10, the face value.
Okay, yeah. And share, and then the extra amount will be share premium.
And the extra amount will be share premium. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. State 3 reasons why a company may prepare a cash flow statement.
To see how to manage costs better.
No. I prepare a cash flow statement so that I know how much money I have received from operating activity.
Yeah.
How much money I have received from financing activity. How much money I have received from investing activity.
Yeah.
So that I know in my business operations, am I making, in my business operations, am I having money? Money is going out or money is coming in.
Okay.
So if you see over here, you are receiving money from operating activities.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you are investing a lot of money over here, investing activities, and all the money that you're investing, you are taking it from finance. So you separately, you can identify how much is going where and how much is coming from which activity. Yes.